I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. Come on, Chocero. A banana, Choshi? Ah, my boy. Want this a banana? Come on. Come on, my boy. Big boy now eating a banana. Oh yeah, it's gone. Yeah, he's eating a big banana. Come on, eat up. Oops, he burped.